Controlling the animation through the script. So far, we have learned how to make a sprite move. We can create animations with this scripting. But it is also important to have a control over this animation because there can be more than one sprite on the stage and there can be a sequence of events too. All these have to be scripted accordingly. In order to activate all these scripts at the same time, we use the control block. With the control block, we can control when we want the animation to start, the duration for which we want it to halt, the number of times we want it to repeat and so on. We are going to learn some important control blocks. The first is when green flag clicked. With this block, if you click on the green flag in the top left corner of the stage, the sprite will get activated according to the scripting done. In the given example, when we click on the green flag, sprite 1 will start moving towards sprite 2. This means that animation will not start until we click the green flag. If the red button in the top left corner is pressed, the scripting will stop. The second control block is when key pressed. With this block, animation will start only when a specified key on the keyboard is pressed. With this block, we can ascertain any key like the space bar or any other to start the animation. When this key will be pressed, the sprite will start acting according to the script. The third control block is when sprite clicked. With this block, animation will start only when the sprite is clicked upon. Whenever we are scripting more than one sprite at a time, select that sprite which you want to get animated when clicked upon. In control block, go to when sprite clicked and choose click and drag. The name of the selected sprite will appear in the block when sprite clicked. And once the scripting is over, animation will begin only when you click on that sprite. If you want an interval during the animation and you want the further script to start after that time period, then you can use the block wait seconds in the control block. For instance, you want that when the green flag is clicked, sprite 1 should halt for 2 seconds and then start moving towards sprite 2. So after, when green flag clicked, opt for the block wait seconds and type 2 in the empty field. After this, click on the green flag, sprite 1 will halt for 2 seconds and then start moving towards sprite 2.